Alright, so if you got any like Kinder chocolate laying around, you can use it as like brown. Instead of color pencil, you can use chocolate, and you can use the shade other stuff. You know what I'm saying? It's just like you can use it for whatever. It just depends on how much pressure you apply and like what kind of edge you find on the piece of chocolate. Yeah. I've been trying to add this, but then this is not gonna match. I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna try another tree. Yeah, this will work for here. More natural. What about the actual chocolate on the painting? Nah, you know? Nah, oh, like this.